I don't want.
Let's see. Are you a boy or a girl? It's a boy. A boy! We've got a son, Catherine. A beautiful, healthy baby boy.
Oh, James. We did it. A son. Our beautiful son.
You've got a bright future ahead of you, son. I'm sure of it. Look at you. Look at you. Hi there. I'm your daddy, little guy. Daddy. You're going to need a name, aren't you? Your mother and I have been talking. What do you think about... That's a good name, don't you think? Fits you perfectly. Looks like they've finished the gene projection. Let's see what you'll look like when you're all grown up. You're going to look a lot like your dad. See that, Catherine?
Oh, very strapping.
It's a big world out there, son, full of all sorts of people. What about you? What kind of person are you going to be? You're just
James?
Catherine?
James.
Catherine! She's in cardiac arrest. Start compressions.
James.
Get the baby out of here. Move! Move! 1,000. 2,000. Come on. Hang on, Catherine. Hang on.
Okay? Remember one thing. We need a doctor, not a deadbeat. Fail to meet my expectations and there will be no percussion.
James and his cheerly charity.
Don't look straight into the light, pal. Hate your eyes. It's just something you get used to down here. Come on over here, son. Come on. Walk to Daddy. Come to Daddy. Over here. You can make it. There you go. My goodness, just a year old and already walking like a pro. Your mother would have been so proud. Listen, kiddo, I know you don't like it when Daddy leaves you alone, but I need you to take care of yourself for a minute. You just stay here while Daddy runs to his office. You'll be okay, pal. I'll be back in a bit. You are quite the little explorer, aren't you? Serves me right for trying to pen you in. Come on over here. I want to show you something. See that? It was your mother's favorite passage. It's from the Bible. Revelation 21:6. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. I will give unto him that is athirst of the fountain of the water of life freely. She always loved that. All right, come on. Let's go see if your little friend Amada wants to play.
These experiments
Don't bear down. We experiment to prepare. We prepare to survive. Of course I miss her.
Surprise! Stanley, you turned the lights on too fast. You blinded the poor kid. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Can you believe it? He is growing up so fast.
Happy birthday, pal. I can't believe you're already 10. I'm so proud of you. If only your mother...
Congratulations, young man. I don't have to tell you how special this day is, do I? Down here in Vault 101, when you turn 10, well, you're ready to take on your first official vault responsibilities. So here you are. As Overseer, I hereby present to you your very own Pip-Boy 3000. Get used to it. You'll be getting your first work assignment tomorrow.
Enjoy your party. You're only 10 once, so have fun.
Successful joint venture in the history of American industry.
Happy birthday! We really surprised you, didn't we? Your dad was afraid you were onto us. But I told him not to worry. You're so easy to fool. You're such a liar. Okay, if you're so smart, what did I get you for your birthday? Gross! I didn't think you even liked girls. And you know what I mean, before you say something rude about me. I guess maybe I should give this to someone else. Someone who likes Grognak the Barbarian better than me and Christine. The question is, how could you tell the difference?
Oh man, you got a Pip-Boy. I wish I was 10.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sonny.
Attention, everyone!
time.
It's time to...
How do you like that Pip-Boy, son? Fit all right and everything? As a matter of fact, I did. I'm glad you like it. Some may think the A-Series is a bit basic, but I've always preferred them for their reliability. Sure, most people don't give a thought to their Pip-Boy as long as it keeps working. Well, anyway, I got this for your birthday. It isn't much, and you probably already have one. But there you go. Happy birthday.
cut the cake!
Andy, wait!
How's it going, pal?
Nice Pip-Boy. What is that? One of the 3000A models? What? Piece of junk. I think you have to wind it up every morning.
Mortified about the cake mishap. Simply mortified.
Wow, the Pip-Boy really makes you look all grown up.
Come on, Wally. You always have good ideas.
Daddy, I told
Yeah,
you not to
I
act
got
all
one.
official.
The Mackers.
I know you were joking,
Super cool,
but
right?
I'm not sure anyone else did.
Jeez, Wally, who's the head of the gang? You or
People
me?
always
No
enjoy
way.
my little speeches. Besides, that friend of yours could use a reminder that life is not all fun and games.
Ugh, this is supposed to...
I hope you appreciate the effort Amata put into this party. She really seems to like you, for some reason.
As always.
Don't presume too much on her friendship, young man. I'm still the overseer, and I'm still in charge of this vault and everyone in it.
What do you think we should call our gang? It's gotta be totally killer, though.
Hey, how about
Do you
the
think we
Vault
surprised
Dweller?
him?
Get it?
I'm sure
Who wants
that
to go
Amata
around all day
never
being called a
suspected thing.
Vault Dweller?
Now
Sometimes
go
I think
on
you
and
really
enjoy
are as
yourself.
dumb as...
Are you having a nice party? 10 years old. My. Seems like only yesterday that your daddy came. Goodness, listen to me ramble. You're waiting for your present, aren't you? Fiddlesticks! What 10-year-old doesn't like presents? I was 10 once, believe it or not. My goodness, the vault was practically crowded back then. Not like today. So few young people now. But here I am rambling on again, and you listening so politely. Here you go, a nice sweet roll that I baked for you just this morning. And it's all for you. No sharing required today.
You look. I'm hungry, and that stupid robot destroyed the cake. Give me that sweet roll you got from Old Lady Palmer. Oh, yeah? You're gonna be
Thanks
sorry
for
you
coming,
little...
Stanley. I know you were busy with the water purifier. Everything's fine, I hope.
Oh, sure, nothing to worry. Butch, what do you think you're doing? Leave him
How are
alone.
you enjoying the party, Mrs. Palmer?
You all right,
I
son?
helped with the decorations,
He didn't hurt
you
you,
know.
did he?
Oh, really?
I hope Butch didn't hurt you. You want to tell me what that was all about? That's fine, son. I'm glad to see you're not letting Butch bully you. He's going to be a handful in a few years if his mother doesn't take him in hand. Well, no harm done then. What?
Battle rats.
They're
Are
lovely.
rats tough enough?
You did such a splendid
You and your
job.
This party's pretty good, I guess. For a little kid. Balloons, party hats. Not as cool as my party, though. Remember how my dad got Andy to do magic tricks? And we all played Hunt the Mutant in the atrium? Oh, right. You weren't invited to my party.
What's Butch's problem anyway? I can't believe he tried to start a fight at your own birthday party. What a jerk. Right, that's exactly what I was thinking.
Shut up and let me think of it.
Jonas?
Remember,
Hey, Doc.
your Pip-Boy
We're all
is
set
not
down
a
here.
toy. Proper cleaning and
Thanks.
maintenance.
I'll send him right down.
Happy
Hello, Officer
birthday!
Gomez.
For
I'm
this
glad you could
and
make it.
future generations.
I'm glad to be here. I think it's important to keep in touch with the young people.
Hey, that was Jonas on the intercom. He and I have been cooking up a little surprise present. Jonas is waiting for you downstairs on the reactor level. Go ahead. I don't think anyone will mind if you slip out for a few minutes.
People, you know, as part of my job. Plus, well, I like parties.
Sure thing, Officer Gomez. Well, it's been nice chatting with you.
Maybe
Thanks again
the
for
vault
coming.
rats. You guys like that?
Sure. I mean, I really like that one.
Well, I don't know. I've got to think about it.
Happy birthday, dearie. My goodness, I hope I didn't miss the party. Of course you're not 5. You're a big 10-year-old man now, aren't you? With your very own Pip-Boy. And do you know what I did? Just for the occasion. Wrote you a poem. I hope you like it. No, really. I wrote it just for you. I'd never just copy one of my old poems. Well, there was that one Founder's Day where I couldn't rhyme anything with overseer. But you deserve nothing less than a brand new poem. You can keep it in your Pip-Boy and read it whenever you want.
You guys are dumb. Somebody's got to have a better idea than those.
If you're so smart, why don't you suggest something?
Well, I don't know. I've got to think about it.
Nice party.
Thank you for coming, Miss Beatrice. I hope you're having a nice time.
I didn't bring you a
Oh
present.
my
if
goodness!
That's what you're
I
wondering.
wouldn't have missed it for the world.
Watch
That
it,
dear
will you?
boy is like a son to me.
Come on, you guys can do better than that. We need a good name.
Here's one. Wally and the Big Cheese. That's you, Butch. The Big Cheese.
Nice try, but shouldn't it be the big cheese?
Sure thing, sir.
Vault 101 is America.
What are you doing down here, young man? I thought kids weren't allowed down on the reactor level. Hey, relax. I was just teasing. Listen, now that you're 10, you don't have to take guff like that from grown-ups anymore. Got it? Hold on one more minute. I think your dad will want to give you the surprise himself.
Are you ready for your surprise? Since when? Regardless, I think you'll like this one. You're getting older, and you've got your Pip-Boy. I figure you're old enough for this too. Your own BB gun. It's a little old, but it should work perfectly. Jonas found it down here. It was in pretty rough shape, you know? So, what do you think? Want to give it a try? Easy now. It's only a BB gun, but it's not a toy. Let's go try it out. Jonas and I have found a nice spot for you. Follow me.
Hey, shoot at the targets, okay? That's not a toy.
Well, what do you think?
Did you know the odds of a Vault-Tec shelter failing are 1 million?
Couldn't have done it without Jonas's help.
497.
Happy birthday, buddy. Hey, you don't turn 10 every day. Now go on and let me see you shoot something.
Go ahead. Try out your new gun on those targets over there.
Go on, shoot something.
Go ahead. Try out your new gun on those targets over there. Careful, it's a radroach. Having trouble with that radroach? Nasty little things. They pretty much keep to dark places. Of course you can. Now, take your time. Breathe slowly.
Go on, shoot something for me. Ow!
Good work. That's one left. Let's get a... Hey, Jonas. Good work. Let's get a...
Smile.
Boys and girls, different parts.
What is your problem anyway? So, I'm the overseer's daughter, so what? Like, I get any kind of special treatment.
Revelation 21:6. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. As far as I can tell, you're a perfectly healthy 16-year-old boy. So yes, you have to go to class to take your GOAT exam. Go on now. You've got a GOAT to take. No, you're not. Really. When I started studying medicine, one of the first things I learned was how to spot a kid playing sick to get out of taking a test. You'll do fine. It's not so bad. Everyone has to take it when they're 16. I had to, you have to, and so does everyone else. And most everyone makes it through without a scratch. Hey, it's not my call. You're 16 now, so this year you take the GOAT. Come on, it's not so bad. Everyone has to take it. You'll do just fine. Take care, son. Now get out of here.
Good morning. Stopped in to see the old man before class, eh?
Get out of my way, you stupid tunnel snakes!
Yeah? What do you want? Only the baddest gang in Vault 101? Like you don't know. We ruled this vault, and what we say goes. You'll stay out of our way if you know what's good for you. None of your business, kid. Get out of here before you get hurt. If you mess with the tunnel, maybe you're right. We can deal with her later. Come on, tunnel snakes. This little bitch isn't worth our time. Whatever you say, Butch. You're the...
Thanks for getting rid of him. Assholes. I don't know why they won't leave me alone. Just because my father's the overseer, I guess? Idiots.
Boss, tunnel snakes rule.
Fine, let's go.
Have you had a chance to look over these results?
Well, you made it. All set for the goat? Trust me, it really isn't that bad. Just something everybody has to go through. Didn't work on your dad either, did it? Now, unless you have something else you want to discuss, take a seat and prepare for the 2274 edition of the GOAT. Listen, I like your dad. I might even like you if I wasn't your teacher. So here's what I'm going to do. If you want to skip the test, just tell me how you want it to come out, and I'll take care of it for you. Well, all right. Here, take a look.
The Overseer's authority is absolute.
I was just going over them. Something you're worried about?
Hello.
I'd just like to keep an eye on it. No problem. I'll have my report ready this afternoon. Sounds good. Let me know if there are any changes.
Well, now that everyone has managed to find the classroom, we can finally get started. No talking, and keep your eyes to yourselves.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
Yes, I'm talking to you, Mr. Deloria.
Sure thing, Mr. Brotch.
Unless anyone else has an insightful comment, let's get started. Question 1. A frenzied vault scientist runs up to you and yells, "I'm going to put my quantum harmonizer in your photonic resonation chamber." What's your response?
Oh, shouldn't be too long.
Question 2. While working as an intern in the clinic, a patient with a strange infection in his foot stumbles through the door. The infection is spreading at an alarming rate, but the doctor has stepped out for a while. What do you do? Question 3. You discover a young boy lost in the lower levels of the vault. He's hungry and frightened, but also appears to be in possession of stolen property. What do you do? Do you mind? Question 5. Your grandmother invites you to tea, but you're surprised when she gives you a pistol and orders you to kill another vault resident. What do you do? Question 6. Old Mr. Abernathy has locked himself in his quarters again, and you've been ordered to get him out. How do you proceed? Question 7. Oh no, you've been exposed to radiation, and a mutated hand has grown out of your stomach. What's the best course of treatment? Question 8. A fellow vault
Anything is possible, even an A. Mr. Brotch.
Here to save you now is efficient to get back to work. Selfish and insubordinate. Just
Wake up!
You need to know
Come on,
these
wake up!
things. I'm not going to be around to hold your hand forever.
Come on! You've got to wake up! You've got to get out of here! Your dad is gone and my father's men are looking for you! You don't understand! Your dad somehow opened the main door and left the vault! My father, I've never seen him so angry. Listen to me. If the guards find you, they'll kill you. I thought so too, but it's true. He's gone, and Jonas is dead, and now they're looking for you. My father's men think Jonas helped your dad escape. They caught him and brought him to my dad's office, and they... Oh my God. Yeah, it's lucky I got here ahead of them, but we can't stand here talking. You've got to get out of here. I'm sorry, but I think you'll have to follow your dad. You'll have to escape from the vault. Listen, maybe it isn't any of my business, but didn't your dad tell you that he was leaving? Oh, okay. Sure. But it doesn't matter. I can help you escape. I have my own plan. Listen. There's a secret tunnel that leads directly from my father's office to the exit. You'll have to hack the computer in his office to open it. Use these to get into his office. That's how I always get in. Oh, one more thing. I stole my father's pistol. I hope you won't need it, but you'd better take it just in case. I'll meet you at the vault door if I can, but don't wait for me.
There he is. Hold it right there. Any more roaches? Take that, you little buggers! Damn that. There he is! No!
You gotta help me! My mom's trapped in there with the rat roaches! No, I can't go back in there. It's... Oh my God! Thank you!
Ah! Ah! Stop it! Butchie, help me! Ah! Where did the...
We did it! My mom's gonna be okay! You're the best friend I've ever had, man! Hey, I know it isn't much, but I want you to have my Tunnel Snake's jacket. Go ahead, take it.
Those things come from? Where did those things come from? Oh, I need another drink.
Hold on. Oh, you're lucky it was me who found you. The others won't be so forgiving. I don't know what you're up to, and I don't want to know. Just clear out of here, and I'll pretend I never saw you. It's a real shame it's come to this. I can't believe what they did to Jonas. Officer Mack was just out of control. But you're a good kid. You didn't do anything to deserve this. Go find your dad if you can.
That's enough excitement for one day. Ah, young sir.
You're the one
How
everybody's
very
looking for,
good to
right?
see you again.
Well, it's none of my business. Your dad always took good care of us. Me and Andy were in a tight spot there, ain't no mistake. Good thing he loves toasting roaches so much.
Topside for a spot of fresh air. Should be back any moment, I imagine.
Just hold still. Your left stabilizer's been knocked loose.
I am holding still. It's your old pulsing hands that are shaking.
This vault's been going to pot ever since that young Alphonse took over. If you keep turning like that, I'm gonna crack your casing.
Don't blame me for your incompetence. I remember George used to have the lightest touch. Ah, those were the days.
We should just go back to our quarters.
It's our only chance. Don't you see? We're getting out of here. Just like the doctor. I'm not gonna let anyone stop us. Oh!
Residents of Vault 101 are hereby confined to their quarters.
You! This is your fault. You and your stupid father. He had to go and leave, didn't he? He had to mess things up for everybody. Guards! Guards, he's over here.
Get away from me! Blood! Ah! I knew we would find you eventually. Ha! Oh! The Overseer's gonna hear about this. Oh! Blood! Ah!
That stupid kid is over here. He's trying to leave the ball. Let him get away.
No!
Guards!
They're everywhere. I told you, I don't know anything.
Be reasonable.
Look out, sir, it's the... Right there! What's the matter, huh? Can't stand the sight of your own blood?
This would go easier if you'd just surrender. I hope you're here to turn yourself in, young man. You're already in enough trouble as it is. Don't make it worse for yourself. Oh, is that all? You'll get nothing from me. I've dealt with your kind before, you little snot-nosed punk. You should have run like your coward of a father. I
knew you'd turn up sooner or later.
Guards, help me!
My God, what have you done? You killed him! Why would you kill my father?
He's opening the vault door.
Actually opened it. Good, you're leaving. I guess you were trying to help me, but you didn't have to kill him! So you say. Maybe one day I'll be able to forgive you. But not now. No! No, I can't. Not with you, not now. You'd better leave before I change my...
Gotcha now. I'm not crazy enough to go out there. Close the door.
Who the hell are you? Where'd you come from? Did Moriarty send you? Colin Moriarty, the owner of Moriarty's Saloon in Megaton. That sack of shit is convinced that I'm some crazy junkie who stole money from him. Look.
And now, one of my inspirational quotes from the mouth of your president, John Henry Eden, straight to your heart. Commerce with all nations, alliance with none.
You do that for me? I never expected anyone to care enough. Here you go. Thanks, kid. You're all right.
I've been thinking quite a bit lately about something we can...
Why don't you look where you're going?
Something that is unquestionably, inescapably American. I am referring, of course, to our great national pastime, baseball. Or so it happened.
Morning. Hey there. Watch it, will you?
Y'all be careful with. Have yourself a nice visit, partner.
I'll be damned. Another newcomer. Name's Lucas Sims, town sheriff, and mayor too, when the need arises. I don't know why, but I like you, boy. Something tells me you're all right. So welcome to Megaton. Just holler if you need something. Friendly and well-mannered. I think we're gonna get along just fine. You treat my people nice, and you're welcome to stay as long as you'd like. I'm glad we understand each other. Now, is there something I can help you with? Nope, sorry. I got enough fires to put out in this place that I don't have time to keep tabs on every visitor. I'd ask around town. What about it? I don't trust any of the locals to tinker with it. Besides, most people don't even realize it's still a threat. And hell, Cromwell and those crazies from the Church of Adam, they worship the damn thing. Why? Do you think you... Oh, all right. Fine. But listen here. Just take a look at it first. Go easy. If you get the job done... That's pretty steep. Fine. Do it and you'll get your money. Don't screw up, though, or we'll all regret it. Well, come to think of it, I do remember a stranger coming through here. Had a look in his eye. You know the kind a man gets when he's got a purpose. Spent some time up in the saloon. Might want to check with Moriarty. Just watch yourself. That man's trouble. Don't blow us up now. Got my eye? Good luck. Careful around that bar.
Yes?
He is coming with the clouds, and every eye shall be blind with his glory. Every ear shall be stricken deaf to hear the thunder of his voice. Let the men, women, and children of the earth come forth to gather and behold the power of Atom. Let those who dwell here in his favored land attend now to the words of the prophet of Atom. Come forth and drink the waters of the glow, for this ancient weapon of war is our salvation. It is the very symbol of Atom's glory. Let it serve as a reminder of the division that has occurred in the past, and the resplendence of the promise of our division in the times to come. Give your bodies to Atom, my friends. Release yourself to his power. Feel his glow and be divided. There shall be no tears, no sorrows, no suffering. For in the division we shall see our release from the pain and hardship. Nay, your suffering shall exist no longer. It shall be washed away in Atom's glow, burned from you in the fire of his brilliance. Each of us shall give birth to 1 billion stars, formed from the mass of our wretched and filthy bodies. Each of us shall be mother and father to 1 trillion civilizations. Each of us shall know peace, shall